It could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial, celestial. See the light.
Good morning, fans. Tonight we're gonna draw a whisper. And no, I'm not talking about everyone's favorite yokai butler. I'm talking about the one from the Sonic the Hedgehog series.
Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms, they are reaching out from
Whisper is a
the clouds. You make me feel
weapons technician.
like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel
She brings along a
on stars and we're dancing
plasma cannon.
space. Celestial.
It protects her against. It protects her from forces that were created by Dr. Robotnik.
We were made to be nothing more than this.
I've only seen Whisper in a Sonic the Hedgehog manga. However, I haven't exactly have the manga with me. I don't really understand where it is.
You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial.
I don't know. I'll have to examine my bin if I'm gonna find it. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here's the vest that she wears.
You see, tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial. Celestial. See the light shining through the rain. 1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back round? Things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. clouds.
Alright.
You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away.
Here are the shoes.
You make me feel
These large black boots.
stars and we're dancing out into space, celestial. We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel we were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel like my troubled heart is
Now we draw the
miles away. You make me feel
now we draw the plasma pods.
stars and we're dancing out into space, celestial.
These bombs, they are what? They are the items that Whisper needs to fuel the cannons.
You see, tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space, celestial.
What was that? Nah. I'll look at it later.
I see the light shining through the rain.
Here's the cannon.
1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I
Here's the
get
gun.
lost, will it come back round? Things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel
Always on
like I'm
early.
drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space, celestial.
There. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw Whisper. From the Sonic the Hedgehog oh shoot. Forgot about the hair. And the tail. My bad, boys. And can't forget about this. And finished. That is how you draw. That's how you draw Whisper. Mission accomplished. Proud I got to add him onto the series. Consider this my gift to you guys. Stegosaurus, see you later, guys. Don't you worry, there's plenty more coming soon. Good night, guys.